Hello friends, I am Dr. Sadeep. So in our channel, I will be taking up the subjects of the homeopathy. So how to master the homeopathy in the practice. So for this friends, you must have a sound knowledge of homeopathic principles, that is organon of medicine, philosophy and materia medica and repertorization. So these all subjects together you can apply in your practice. Without any knowledge of these subjects, without understanding the basic principles, without understanding the natural principles of homeopathy, this will be very impossible to apply this in the patients. Let it be acute medicine, let it be a chronic medicine, that is to say, let it be a chronic patient or acute patient, the application of these principles are very much important. Before application, you must have a sound knowledge and the understanding of these homeopathic principles. So I have made so many videos on these subjects. If you are interested, please watch those videos. About organon I have talked, about philosophy I have talked, and about materia medica also. So this homeopathy is based on eternal principles of nature. So if you go through any of our philosophy books or organon, Hahnemann has stressed on a very much important point to find the cause of the disease and understand the root cause and treat the patient. So this will be coming in the totality of the symptoms and also the finding of the cause of the disease. So if you know the cause of the disease, it is very much useful in the treatment of the patient. So to find the cause of the medicine or find the cause of the disease in the patient, you must have a sound knowledge of the miasms. So if you don't understand the disease processes, if you don't understand the miasm, how the miasm works in the body, miasms are the key to solve the chronic patients. So if the totality of the symptoms is reached also, if you don't reach the miasmatic totality or the dominating miasm, it is impossible to touch the treatment aspect in homeopathy. So to do that, you must have a sound knowledge of the subjects what I have told, that is organon, philosophy and materia medica. So if you have a total knowledge of these all subjects also, the practical implications or the practical application of these subjects is very much important. In the beginners, there will be a problem in understanding all these incomplete understanding, and also the application will be difficult simply because the connecting points or the connecting dots are not being arranged in a proper way. Due to this reason, what happens is he will be half knowledge, he will be not having disease processes knowledge, he will be not having this miasmatic knowledge, and he will be going on stressing on the totality of the symptoms of the patient, which is just around 20 to 30% of the subject. So if you take totality of the homeopathy, if you understand the principles and the application of the principles, then it is very easy to come to the totality of the patients. So I already made so many videos on these subjects. Basically, you must know how to take the case. So this is one aspect. So if you know the subject, that how to take the case, it is not enough. You also must know how to apply the symptoms you have come to, and you must also in a position to evaluate the symptoms truthness. So patients will be randomly giving the symptoms, but is it trustworthy to take those symptoms whatever he is giving? Because many a times patient will be confused, many a times patient will be wrongly indicating the symptoms. So this is called as evaluation of the symptoms. So evaluation of symptoms is as much as necessary and as much as important to form the rubrics of the patients. Once if you have a complete case taking, once you have evaluated the symptoms, once if you have come to the proper rubrics what he is giving, then the case will be solved. The posology is the final aspect a student or a beginner homeopathy must understand. In my understanding, posology carries much marks, but in acute diseases, posology has a very good key understanding. Then only you can apply it in acute diseases. In chronic diseases, you give any potency, it will act if it is symptom similarity, if it is miasmatic totality is reaching, if the pace of the disease is matching. So, if you are a homeopathic practitioner, concentrate on the totality of the symptoms, miasmatic totality of the symptoms, and pace of the disease. If you match all these three aspects, then there will be no possibility of failure in homeopathy. I understand myself as this much. So if you want to learn homeopathy and practice it in a proper way, please subscribe my channel. And I wanted to take a class on total these subjects. So I will be uploading these videos, 3 to 4 videos in a week. If you are a homeopathic student or if you are a homeopathic practitioner, a beginning practitioner, please follow my videos and you will be helpful in the practice, friends. So this is all today, friends. Thank you. Take care. Bye.